Having the right industry expertise and the right tool is essential. Why? Because every industry is different and every industry has its own specific. Which means if you want to bring a real added value to a customer, you need to know those specificity and the challenge of the industry. At ClimatePartner, we are structured into different teams of different industry teams, and each team has an expertise. I'm from the textile team, which is including the textile for fashion, outdoor and sport industry. Regarding the topic of the tool, each customer has different needs. So based on your needs, you need to have the correct tool. If your needs is to calculate hundreds or thousands of product carbon footprint from, for example, the digital product passport regulation, or if you need to have a CSRD compliant corporate carbon footprint, you need two different tools. We at ClimatePartner, we have a platform with integrated tools. So we have one tool, we call it PCF at scale to calculate huge amount of product carbon footprint, but we also have a tool aligned with the CSRD, corporate carbon footprint, for you to have CSRD aligned reporting. So depending on your needs, you need to have a specific tool. So integrating climate certified project in your climate action strategy is very important. At ClimatePartner, we have a clear vision for it, which means you need first to measure your corporate emissions. Because without measuring and without data, you cannot implement any targets or measures. So first, knowing your data, knowing your emission, then recommend to set targets based on your data, then to implement reduction measures, and then parallel from implementing reduction measures to contribute to climate certified project. Why? Because implementing reduction measures takes time. And so if you want to act now already, you need in parallel from it to finance climate certified project. It's a parallel work from the entire climate action strategy. ClimatePartner certified company label helps company to communicate in a clear way their climate action strategy. Why? Because we offer in one click, with the help of a QR code and an ID, a climate ID page, the possibilities for our customer to communicate their entire climate action strategy. First, they can communicate on their carbon footprint with the measurement of their carbon footprint and the result of it. Then they can communicate on the targets they set. A mandatory step to get our label is to have to set a target for Scope 1 and Scope 2. Then they can also communicate on the measures they already implemented and they're planning to implement, and then on their contribution on financing certified climate project. And the last step, which is also very important for our customer, but also for the end customer, is the topic of transparency, which means they can also have a link to their ESG reporting or any sustainable research or website they want to communicate on their page. And this is all accessible in one click for the end customer.